Hey guys, this is Andrew with Rossmönster Vans. Today we have a Transit 148 van, a really clean finish on this one, and I'm going to take you through the tour of it. Overall, we kept things pretty simple. We have 30 gallons of fresh water, 340 hours of AGM SuperCycle batteries, 2,000 watt inverter, very functional build, and we'll step inside now. One thing to note that immediately kind of pops here is just rustic oak flooring. It's nice, it really gives this light feel to it, as well as this nice baby blue painted cabinets that we have with all slab doors, both upper and galley cabinets. Stepping inside, we just have a nice deep, roughly like a 20 by 20 sink here. We also have underneath here, again, our 7-gallon gray water tank. We also have tons of drawers here for storage. Going down, just tons of storage here for this kitchen galley. You notice we also have a few upper cabinets here for additional storage. Stepping back, you'll notice that this is a nice big dinette area, again with this Lagun table mount here, which, as we've talked about in all of our builds, super cool table. In my opinion, one of the better features of the vans. All right, guys, so here's the dinette system again. It's roughly a queen size bed. You can sleep lengthwise in it. To switch to bed mode, you just pop off these cushions, move this over here. This guy folds up and around. Bring your cushions back, and then this driver's side is also going to snap off the wall like so. And just like that, you're in bed mode. As long as we have this taken down right here, we'll get in here and show you guys the systems as well. So on the driver's side, we have our water cabinet. So here's that 30-gallon fresh water. We also have that outdoor shower on the rearward side of the van. Closing this, I'll show you guys the power cabinet here on the other side of the van. Like I mentioned earlier, we have 340 amp hours of AGM SuperCycle. We have that 2,000 watt inverter. We were able to use 2,000 watts because this van does not have AC and it does not use an induction burner. So that's why we have the 2,000 watt there. It does have one vent fan in the ceiling, as well as some storage up here in the front section of this dinette unit. Then you can close that guy. Again, you kind of get a sense for how easy it is to transition between bench and bed mode. You can just clip these guys. I'll clip those guys too. And there you have it. So here we have our custom switch panel on the wall. You'll see here we have our lights on a dimmer. I'm not sure if you guys can tell that with the light right now. We also just have this light which lights up the whole switchboard. Your inverter, that's always a key feature to all of van builds, I would say. Also have our under cabinet lights here, which is awesome. It's really nice to have additional lighting when you're doing meal prep or cooking or whatever else you're going to be doing on this table. Specifically in this van, I don't know if you guys can tell over video, but this light does make this blue really pop, and it's a really cool color. Wasn't totally sold on it when I read that it was going to be baby blue, but now that it's here in person, awesome feature. I love it a lot. And also kind of the other thing in this van, which is really nice and kind of unique, is we just have these upper cabinets right here stepping into this dinette zone. Because we don't have upper cabinets back here, it makes this whole space feel really big. Last thing to note here about this van, and we didn't cover it in the back, but they're also in the back, is you see these bug screens. This is the bug screen actually installed. On a few of our other vans, you'll see this kind of trim piece here, and this is permanently mounted again, and all of this is just on zippers. It's really easy just to roll them up, put them out of the way so you can come in and out. And then when you are ready, whether it's bug season or you just want that screen down, it's really easy. You just hit these clips and they drop just like that. And then you just zip them down. Again, they're magneted in the middle. So really easy process. Awesome. There we have it, guys. This was, again, a Transit 148 van. Keep following along. Comment on YouTube. Tell us what you want to see, what you want more of, what you want less of. and we will do our best to accommodate that. Have a great day. Thanks.